What is going on in the world of real estate? Guys, the housing market is getting slaughtered, and it seems to be getting worse and worse and worse. Mortgage rates have increased steadily recently, but they increased dramatically just last week. The seasonally adjusted index maintained by the Mortgage Bankers Association showed a 6% drop in overall mortgage demand compared to the previous week. At this rate, we'll be in a worse place than the Great Depression. No. Please stop the madness. Loans with a 20% down payment and a 30-year fixed interest rate saw an average contract rate increase from 7.41% to 7.53%, with points increasing from 0.71 to 0.80, including the origination charge. A year earlier, during the same week, the rate was 6.75%. Will the Fed continue to raise mortgage rates into 2024? Mortgage rates continued to move higher last week as markets digested the recent upswing in Treasury yields, said Joel Kahn, Vice President and Deputy Chief Economist at MBA. Mortgage applications stopped dead in their tracks, falling to their lowest level since 1996. Oh shit, is there an end in sight for the destruction of our housing market? Refinancing applications fell 7% week over week and 11% compared to the same week last year. These days, refinancing accounts for fewer than a third of all mortgage applications. When mortgage rates were at historic lows just 2 years ago, the majority of loan requests were for refinancing. Mortgage loan applications for home purchases also dropped 6% week over week and 22% compared to the same week last year. According to Kahn, who also noted an uptick in applications for adjustable rate mortgages, the purchase market slowed to the lowest level of activity since 1995, as rising interest rates discouraged would-be buyers. 8% of purchase applications were for adjustable rate mortgages, up from 6.7% a month before when interest rates were lower. Adjustable rate mortgages have lower rates, but their fixed terms are shorter, often 5 or 10 years. Mortgage News Daily conducts its own daily assessment of mortgage rates, which found that the average 30-year fixed rate had reached 7.72% on Tuesday. The market is reacting positively to economic data that has exceeded expectations and may force the Federal Reserve to be more aggressive with its plan to raise interest rates. How much higher can rates go? Only the Fed knows. Talk about crazy times. I remember when we barely had time to breathe. Now we have too much time. Hey, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. And if you're in Austin and need an appraiser to help you with your real estate needs, feel free to reach out anytime you want. The link is right in the description.